You don't need to calm down. And your students are not being too loud. I've appreciated so much those students I've gotten emails from, questions. I think it's so great that students are asking for help, and I want them to continue to ask for help. This is one of the skills that got me through college. Sending emails. I am so proud of the students that are writing emails, sending emails, asking questions. So keep encouraging your students to do that. I want to put the focus on the science and engineering practices. These are the SEPs we've been talking about all year. These are the skills that we're going to be focusing on in the last 4 weeks, which means we're over the hump. We're halfway through this, more than halfway. And I wanted to just make sure that parents and students know one of the easiest ways to improve your grade is improving mastery, improving your skills on this standard. This is the reading standard, and I'm going to be sending out a video shortly about how to master this, but basically it's reading for information and looking for unknown words while connecting and making comments about what we're reading. And then the second way to improve grades is working on graphing skills. So this is standard 5, SEP 5, and this one is a quick, once you get it, it's a quick way to improve your grade because it's basically the ability to create a graph. We have great programs like Google Sheets and Excel that help us do this, and there's some tutorials on this website here too. The other 2 ways that are a little more challenging but not impossible, because I know my students know how to draw, turning our drawings into explanations. How do we explain what's going on in science? The water cycle, flower parts, trying to explain what we understand about structures and functions and the way things work. And then finally, my personal favorite, being able to talk about data, being able to talk about what's going on with the numbers and just explaining those numbers using sentences and talking about their relationships, SEP4. And right now, I just want to appreciate all the focus that you've had on these standards already. I know it's hard to see a lot of work going in and not seeing A's yet, but I need to see the evidence of your awesome skills. So as students continue to show me evidence, I will continue to raise grades. And I just want to say that your health is the most important thing, and you're not being too loud, and I appreciate you for everything you're doing. Thank you for encouraging your child.